You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.